Alright, welcome to what will be episode 1 of rebuilding Ruby. If you don't know, Ruby is my 1996 Mazda MX-5. It's a 1.8 litre turbocharged motor, custom fastback, big 200mm wide body, 15 by 10 work equips all around, custom everything. If you haven't seen the video, there is a video here or a link in the description, and that'll show you the 2-year process of me building this car from the ground up, and that'll just show you the basics of what I put into this and how much was involved. So much went into this. I'm sure most of the people watching this video right now understand how much went into this build. So we unveiled this car at World Time Attack in 2022. It's currently 2023. It really upsets me to have to rebuild this car, but in saying that, I definitely don't want to just let 80 grand sit. So I guess the hardest part for me is that I think this car is awesome. It is amazing. It was my vision, right? So I'm going to be dumping at least another 10-20 grand easily into this car, and it is not gonna be cooler than it is right now, which is extremely upsetting. Without further ado, welcome episode 1 of the Ruby rebuild. Let's get it. First thing we have to do, which is the most unfortunate part, and the reason why I had to take this car off the road and it got done, we have to take the body kit off. God damn it. I don't want to take it off, but keep it on. It looks so good. Alright, so this is officially the first time I've ever had the body kit off this car. The second it got fitted, it hasn't been off since. I haven't removed it for any reason. I haven't done any repairs, I haven't done anything. So this is the first time it's ever been off. Kinda sucks, not gonna lie. The car looks plain. It looks very plain. This sucks. Oh well. Shit happens. I thought though you guys might be interested to see how far I had to cut to get these flares on / to get them to fit. So that's essentially cut nearly to the frame of the car. So that's the front and that's the rear, which is, yeah, another really big cut. So this is actually all cut and then chopped together and then welded so that it retains the rigidity of the car. So yeah, there's a big chunk of metal missing there. What does that look like? How does that look? Does it look good? Alright, the next thing we're just quickly going to do is going to get the bonnet off. I don't actually have a bonnet stand thing. Alright, so now we've got the engine bay opened up. It'll give us just a much easier time when working on engine stuff. And honestly, I can't tell you how upsetting it is to even start taking this car apart. It was never a car I wanted to take apart, but oh well. That being said though, what I'm gonna do with the car and how it's gonna change will be sick. I won't let you guys down, I promise. But with that being said, I will see you in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.